When Dominic was coming in the main road here, we lowered the car when we put that angle kit on it, and he bent his bash bar up real bad, and now he can't get on the track because it's dragging everywhere. So we're having to take it off. Did you? Yeah.
I had both mirrors.
He come around this corner and he put it in reverse and just backed up like he...
Alright. There's a new guy. This is a new guy. That's Matthew. He's our mechanic. He's helped us work on the car.
He's our oil change guy.
Oil change guy. He's been helping at the shop. He's helped us around on some of the car. And
yeah, I have to take it off.
there's this guy. That's the driver that Dominic's been watching. He's a clutch kicking fool. That's what this guy is. So.
You gotta take it off like a bit down.
Oh, you got tires in it.
Yeah. So then we got. Alright, so there's a new layout at the track. What we got is, I'll kind of give you the layout of it, if I can get everything figured out here. Alright, so if you'll see that orange and white berm right there, over the back of that hill is the entry. So they enter down where that tent's at. They come up just to the left of them cones on the track, and they go that far side, and then they come this way. Then that yellow cone is a clipping point. Matter of fact, here he goes. Here you can watch. So he's entering. And he's supposed to go to the right of that yellow cone there, and then continue on that straight run, circle back the outside, come around, and then exit where he's going. Dominic's going to give it a shot. Alright, here he goes. He's not used to that angle kit. And these guys have a lot more experience. These dudes have a lot more experience than Dominic, and but he's trying. He's definitely getting out there and getting it. So. The track. See if Dominic can get it now. out that cone. I knew he would. That's what I told him. If I got it there, I'd take the cone out first thing. And he got the cone. The owner of the track done told us you get 3 of them at Amazon. You can't buy them one at a time, so he's waiting on somebody to buy him a 3-pack of them. I figured it would be me that hit it. Alright, it's over. All the RX-7s showed up. They're gonna close the track down. Them guys are good. I'll get their Instagram. I forget the name. We got several shops here that build cars, and I forget all their Instagrams. I'll try to get everything for them and post it.
talk to him about this. That's what you
That's him in a real car, it's my son.